Okay, a real world problem that we have now is soup. Oh my gosh, soup. Who doesn't love soup? We have pho, we have chicken noodle, you have vegetable beef. There are so many different kinds. Tortilla soup. Oh my gosh, just so many different kinds of soup. What's your favorite soup? Okay, what's the soup of the day? I'll have that. Okay, so your soup thing today is, let's say that I have a serving of my favorite kind of soup. And in my favorite kind of soup, one serving size is, so one serving is 1 2/3 cups. Okay, so that's one serving of soup. In the restaurant, they make 50 cups of soup. Oh my gosh, the restaurant makes 50 cups of soup. So we get 50 cups of soup. That's a lot of soup. Okay, and we want to know, is there enough to serve 35 people? Okay, so we want to know, is there enough to serve 35 people, enough servings? So we need to find out how many servings we actually have. So we have 50 is our grand total. So we're going to take 50 and we have to divide that into 1 2/3 cup servings to find out how many servings we actually have. So we're going to take this 50. But again, I need to ask myself, do I have a fraction divided by a fraction? No, I do not. How could you? Okay, so what we need to do is we need to make a fraction and a fraction. Okay, this 50 is just going to be 50 with a 1 underneath it because we have 50 whole servings, right? So 51 whole servings divided by, this is the one we need to worry about right here. So we're going to take 3 times 1 plus 2. And this gives us 3, 4, 5/5. Okay, now we have a fraction divided by a fraction. And so what we can do now is we can keep, we can change, and we can flip. All right, ready? So we are going to keep 50 over 1. We're going to change, and we're going to find the reciprocal and flip. Now we're ready to multiply straight across. 50 times 3 over 1 times 5. That is 150 divided by 5. How many servings of soup do I end up with? Well, 5 times 30 gives me 150. So 150 divided by 5 is 30. I have 30 servings. So I wanted to know, did I have enough to serve 35 people? No, I need more soup. Okay, so the answer is no. No, I only had enough 30 servings. Enough for 30 servings. I wouldn't be able to serve 5 people my delicious soup or share it. It's the restaurant that's making it, not me. Nobody wants my soup. Remember, I burn soup? That's gross. Okay, now I want you to answer your essential question. How do we divide mixed numbers? So explain to me, how do you divide mixed numbers? What? How do you do that? And then I want you to tell me in the box out to the side, you can make yours bigger if you need to. Where are you at with this? How are you feeling about dividing a fraction by a fraction? Converting to a mixed number? Where are you at with your understanding around dividing it and putting it back into a mixed number? Where are you at? Put it in the box. If you answered a 1 or a 2, please come into the Google Meet and ask me for help or clarifying questions. Otherwise, you are free to go and work on your practice work. And as always, make it a great day the Cougar way.